So let's starting to with the topic that is pointer concepts. So we have the first one that is constant pointers. So what is a constant pointer? Constant pointer in C and C++ language is an pointer that is given a, that is defined with a value, but after that it won't be changed. That is, if you declare a pointer variable with a constant keyword, so after it you can't change the value of the pointer variable. Like it can be changed only, it can be defined only single time in the full code. So let's just see this with an example. So in this code, you can see that we have declared two variables, that is a and b, and defined it with a value of 0. Here we have also declared a constant pointer ptr, where we have used a keyword const, that is that is for constant keyword, and the address of a using ampersand keyword we have stored it into ptr. Now in the just next second line we are also storing the value of the address of b into the same pointer variable. But what does this code will print? This code will print with an error, because you, using the keyword constant, you can't change the value of the ptr twice in a same program. So this is the use of constant pointer, where you can change the value only single, where you can define the value only single time in the full code. So our next topic is pointer to string. So what is pointer to string? So we all know what is a string. String is a series of alphabets where in this particular position we are having each variables, like we each and each alphabets. So here the concept of string to pointer indicates that now in the second line of the fourth line of the program, you can see that we have declared a character string that is with an asterisk, which denotes it's a pointer, and we have stored hello world into it. So now what it does is, in the second line of the main function, we have declared two variables I and j. Here what is j doing? J is actually storing the length of the string into it with an strlen function, that is a string function. So here in the loop you can see that I runs from 0 till the j, that is the length of the hello world, and str plus plus is incrementing. So using the print statement, what we are doing, we are actually printing the string where hello world is stored in particular blocks. Let's jump and see what is this blocks. So in this you can see that hello world is stored in a block where h is in the one block, e in one block. Here the str stores this whole array, and what it does is, like when the str plus plus where str is incremented, so h is printed with the next I value, e is printed, l is printed, and this goes on till the last element, the last character of this whole string. So here what it does, the code prints the str string, that is hello world, as an output. So let's jump to the next topic, that is about arrays, that is pointer to array elements. So let's start with the code and let's understand what does it do. So in this below code, you can see that we have declared an array with a of size 5, where we have stored 4 elements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have also declared a pointer variable, that is ptr, and defined it as a. So in the below loop of for, here we have I indicating to 0, and where I is less than 4 and I is incrementing with I plus plus. In the print statement, what we are doing, we are actually printing the pointer variable which stores the value of the array A. So here you can see that with an indentation and documentation to the code, we are given as the integer asterisk pointer, that is in pointer variable, is storing the address of ampersand a, that is the first element, and same it does for same code of line also indicates when we write as an integer asterisk pointer a. So in integer asterisk pointer, where it stores the address of the whole variable, whole like the array, the first, And what we are doing, we are actually storing the address of first element, and with the ptr of plus plus we are increasing that address. Now with an increase of it, the variable, the array is incrementing for the first address to the second, that is 1 2 and 3 and 4. So this program gives an output of 1 2 3 and 4. So here you can see that the asterisk ptr pointer is actually storing the the array element, the address, first address, and actually it's printing with the ptr plus plus the whole array. So this is how the pointer to array elements concept is integrated. I hope I am clear and loud for the whole concept.